Hello, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to introduce yourself to the community. So first of all, I want to say welcome to the community. We're happy to have you here. To say hello to everybody and just give a brief introduction of yourself, you're going to want to go to your dashboard, and you get to your dashboard by logging into the site. Once you get to the dashboard, you'll see a screen that looks something like this. So you're going to scroll down to the section of what are you looking for today, and the very first box is introduce yourself. So you want to just go ahead and click there. And here is where you'll want to introduce yourself by starting a new discussion. We've made it easy here. We've given you some prompts. You can choose to pick 2 or 3 of these. You don't have to answer these. You can actually put here anything that you'd like. To actually introduce yourself, you want to click on New Discussion and just put a title like, "Hi, I'm Michelle," and you want to go ahead and type in your content here. So I just cut and paste it, but you're going to type your introduction here. You can add emojis, you can add photos, anything that you'd really like. And then one thing you want to be sure of is to click on this notify me of replies via email. And that's just so if somebody responds to your introduction, you'll be able to know that by getting an email. And once you're done there, you just hit post. And you'll see my post is here. People will be able to come in here and click on reply. Now to actually go in and say hello to the rest of the community, I can go back to my dashboard, click on introduce yourself. And here's my post that I just made. And I can go in and introduce myself to Amber. So all you do is go in and click on that heading. And you can see here she has her introduction and some photos and already some responses. So to reply, you're just going to click on this reply button and type in your message. So we hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to learn more about what else is available in the dashboard and what's available in the community, you can check out our other tutorials that will show you how to do that. Thanks so much.